even a month.
The government should review and implement laws that will ensure that the country surpasses its current economic state to attract foreign investors. This was an observation made during the launch of the first ever matatu wagon assembled in Kenya with zero mileage and environmental friendly after a partnership between Asian motor manufacturer King Long and KB Auto.
In order to train them to begin, and as we progress further,
This kind of product, it can be widely used. It can be used as a matatu transportation. It can be used as a suburban transportation. It can be used as a tourism bus, airport shuttle bus, and also staff bus.
What we are trying to do is to bridge the gap and to provide affordable quality products to the consumers, where they get the full support of warranty, where they get the full support of competitively priced spare parts, and most importantly, get the feel to drive a brand new vehicle.
Ahead in sports, Kenya's young stars register a